Alright guys, so here's how to change username of an account on Windows 11. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for control panel and go with that. And now from here you need to simply tap on this button, view by, tap on this and simply go with the category. Alright, then this will show up. So from the username, under the username you will probably see change account type. You need to tap on this option. Alright, so currently I have only one account on this PC, so I will go and want to change this username of this account, so I will select that and then simply go with the change the account name. So tap on that again and now simply change anything, like I am going with Kazi Tutorials, like that, and simply tap on the change name and the name has been changed. It's that much simple guys. So if we just go back and simply tap on the start button, it is not being changed. Alright, so how we can change that? Simply if you just go and restart your PC, it will be changed. So let me just do that real quick and get back to you soon. Alright guys, so if we have just successfully restarted our PC, so if now we go to this one, as you can see, we got our username changed. So that's how you can simply change your username of an account in Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.